Abangan niyo yan, abangan niyo yan. May, sige, go! Ayun! Nakita ko yun, nakita ko. Nakita niyo ba yung pinakitang number ni May? Tumawag kayo agad ang unang caller na tamang sagot, mananalo ng prizes from Jensen and Active White. Ayan ang number, oh. Ayun. At syempre, uulitin lang namin ngayon mismo, nagre-rehearse sa kabilang Party Pilipinas! Makikita nyo dyan. Uy, may, ayan, oh, ayan. Nako, bonggang-bongga ang mga choreography dahil ang nag-choreograph po niyan, Shivakar, yes. Boys and girls, ay ang sikat na si Fusion! At sino ba ang choreograph niya?
Yan si Fusion, maraming international Hollywood superstar na kinoreograph. Sina Beyonce,
ay, social.
Si Neo, marami talaga magagaling. Akon, yung mga dance moves.
Yes.
Ayan si Fusion, ang nag-choreograph naman sa akin, si Confusion. Kaya ako lagi hindi mo.
Okay, ito na. Ito naman ang next game natin na tinatawag na Do or Die! I-spinin! Ito na, i-spinin ko ang ruleta. Kung sino ang unang pangalan na mapunta rito, syempre, siya ang magro-roll ng dice, okay? Tapos, i-spin nyo ulit kung sino makakapartner nyo. Ready? Ang una! Jack! Sino ang partner mo? Spinin mo nga. I-spinin mo. Kailangan to. Isa pa. Ay, babae ulit. Sorry. Oo. Question mark. Okay. Question mark. Ibig sabihin, Jack, hindi natin kilala. Ganon talaga.
Secret.
Okay.
Secret.
At ang question mark na yan ay walang iba, kundi si Mr. C! Okay, Mr. C. O, sino mag-roll ng dice? Jack. Parte ng katawan. Pigil.
Yan.
Wow.
Sige.
Action! Si Basim!
Ano yun?
Si Basim sa pigi!
Ano yung si Basim?
Bonggaan mo yung kalit!
Si Basim.
Demo mo.
Ano yung si Basim?
Sige, demo mo sa akin.
Ano yun? Ano yung definition ng si Basim? Ako na magdedemo ka.
Hindi. Okay na. Naiintindihan na namin. Si Basim, you have to kiss the pigi. Pigi is the bad cheek. Yeah. Si Mr. C, you kiss the bad cheek passionately.
In Tagalog?
Teka, may sinabi siya. Ako, lolo ko.
Okay, go. Go.
Ay, Mr. C! Mabilis lang. Oh, okay na! Okay, next! Okay, next! Oh, wow.
Hindi pa dumidikit eh.
Hindi, dumikit na. Nakita ko na. Tsaka mo na ituloy sa bahay niyo. Managinip ka na lang.
Lalaki. Ang huli.
Sino ang kapartner? Okay. Zaida and question mark. Ito si question mark.
PJ.
Okay, part ng katawan. Zaida. Planuhin. Zaida, planuhin. Bigay. Okay, action. Question mark, action. Si Basim. Kayong mga parusa, mahilig kayo si Basim, ha? Okay, go. Okay na. Nakakatawa yung sigaw niya, parang pinakunahan. Usually, dapat masarap yun, eh. Bakit ganun? Okay, next. Ha? Oo. Okay. Okay, Daniel! You! And then... Oh my God, question mark! Now, who is the question mark? Oh!
Ikaw daw.
Me? Okay. Daniel, usually I don't do this, but it's the request of the people. Is it okay? My God, okay. Sure. Sige, go. Oh my God, labi!
Hangin, tubig! 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 Tubig!
Ako talaga ang pambansang nananamantala. Yes!
Isa pa tayo. One
Thank
more
you,
round.
Danielle. Danielle, from what country are you? Brazil. Yes. Is my beauty common in Brazil? No.
Exotic. Exotic.
Exotic. Okay. Usually in this country, my beauty stays in the kitchen. Okay, next. Oh my God, JC, ikaw na! Ano ba naman yan? Okay, now, who is your partner? Who is your partner? Oh my God, it's a question mark! Oh my God! Itong ruleta na ito talaga. Okay, go.
Sige.
Sige!
Question mark. Question mark.
Oh my God, you are the question mark.
Jijek.
Jijet is the
Jijet ang ating
question
model.
mark. Okay, Jijet. Body part, please, Jijet.
This one you throw and it landing and it's showing you the body, what to do.
Ay, the action. Halik sa pigi.
You have to kiss his butt
Cheek.
cheek. Butt cheek.
Okay, JC, can you do it? Game. Game.
No.
Si JC ang hahalik.
He kiss your butt cheek. You turn.
What did you say? Sabi niya, okay, it's better. Sabi, ay, naku, may sinasabi siya. Okay. I don't wanna kiss his butt. Okay, are you ready? JC, wag kumarte. Gusto mo ako? Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Kaya mo yan, JC. Okay, darling, can you please do the proper posing? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Na JC, may magagalit ba? Wala. Meron naman pala eh. Okay. Okay na ba tayo? Isa pang round. Mainit na ba? Thank you so much, Jack, Zaida, Danielle, and JC. You guys want to promote anything?
Yes, please. I have a movie coming out. It's an independent film with starring me and Rafael Rosel and Lara Morena. It's coming out on April 26th. So please watch. And
May title ba itong
Fling.
pelikula?
Oh, it's called Fling. So yeah, and please buy a Gadget magazine for April. I'm the cover.
Sino nag-direct ng Fling?
Direct Han Salazar.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, JC.
Thank you for Cool Center for guesting us here. Thank you.
Oo, mauulit yan. Sa ibang station. Okay. Zaida?
Hello, don't forget to watch Eat Bulaga every day. That's every Mondays through Saturdays. Thank you, Call Center.
Ay, thank you rin. And Danielle, yes.
Thank you, Cool Center. And I also have a movie. It calls The Survivors.
Ano?
Survivor.
The Survivors? Okay.
And it's coming out on 28th of April. It's a comedy.
It's directed by?
Adolf Alex.
Okay, good luck, guys. And thank you for joining us. At ang pinakaunang winner ng GCs from Jansen and Active White ay from San Juan, Joycelyn Jose. Congratulations! And magpapalit pa po ang Cool Center! Thank you, guys! Thank you!
Ang Colgate Fresh Confidence Spicy Fresh ay punong-puno ng unique cooling crystals to switch on the long-lasting power of freshness that makes you feel alive. Colgate Fresh Confidence with cooling crystals. Switch on the power of freshness. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
It's summer, but you don't have to hide from the sun. New